Hi, my name is Onipede, marriage consultant, marriage broker, and retreat host. Have you ever been told of the fact that it's actually the small foxes that spoil the vine? The small foxes that spoil the vine. It's the same thing when it comes to marriage. You'll be surprised that most of the time, the problems and the issues that we face in our marriages, which actually can bring a marriage to a decline, I mean, the love we have for each other and all that, is actually the small foxes that we do not actually take note of. One of such small foxes is actually exclusion. Why do we get married and then we're not able to include our spouses in our lives? Why do we do that? There are a lot of couples who are living together, and you find out that at the end of the day, they're actually excluding themselves from each other's lives. And then you're asking, why did you get married? Now, for a lot of people, maybe it didn't start that way, but today that's what's going on. So the question I have for you today is this: what will it cost you to include your spouse in your life? I mean, how much price would you have to pay to include your spouse in your life? Do you know if you bring your spouse into your life, it will actually prevent so many crazy things from happening in your marriage? I'm telling you, it will be to your own advantage, not your disadvantage. In marriage, there has to be inclusion. And if you think you're having issues with this, we may want to talk about this. If you want to talk about this, I'm available to you to have a sit together and look at this. But if your marriage is going to work, you have to include your spouse in your life. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.